Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you where your fuse is located for your headlights, guys, okay, in a 1997 Honda Prelude, just like this model here. Okay, so make sure you just pop up your bonnet. Underneath here you will find there is a fuse box, okay guys, so you just want to go ahead and pop this up like that, and then on top, if you read here, it says headlight left and headlight right. They're both 20 amp fuses, and then we also have a lighting relay as well and a dimmer relay. These could be related to the headlights, so make sure you check these as well. So you're just going to go ahead and look for these two fuses. They're both 20 amp fuses, and you'll see if we just look next to your relays, just there, these two yellow ones, one here and one here. Okay, so right on top of the relay, guys, one there and one there. You want to check those fuses and see if they're broken, and if that is fine, then you also want to make sure you test your relay as well, which is your lighting relay and your dimmer relay, because headlights use dimmers and relays. So you want to check these two relays right here as well, and make sure that they're working. If your lights are still not turning on, then you probably should go and check your globes, and then you can see behind there is covers there that you can just unclip, and those are where your globes are located. But this is mostly for fuses. So anyways, like and subscribe. Cheers.